Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Water Supply Tube. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water supply tube. The water supply tube supplies water to the middle spray arm. The main reason you should be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and it's not sending water to the spray arm to get your dishes clean. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull out the upper rack so we have access to the water supply tube. We're going to take the spray arm off. Just want to grab the nut and turn it clockwise as you're looking at it. And drop it down and pull it off and set it aside. Then we have to release the locking tabs. There's two in the front, two in the back. Also in the back there's these little hooks that you have to unhook from the rack. So we're just going to reach underneath and press on these tabs and then lift up and then press in so it releases from the rack. Then we can do the back. They come off the same way. Just press in on the locking tabs and lift up and press in on the arms and then make sure that the hooks behind them come off. You can lower it down and lift it off the rack. Here's the old water supply tube next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water supply tube in, you just want to line it up with the rack and snap it into place. Once you have the back end, you can do the front. Just pull down on it to make sure it's locked into place. Once you have it in, we can put the spray arm back on. We're just going to line it up with the water supply tube. Turn it counterclockwise as you're looking at it. Once you have it locked in, you can push the upper rack back in. Close the dishwasher door. Plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.